Yesterday we learned tall and long. Time to learn the opposite. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, you've got the word called qısa. Qısa. Qısa is, yes, short, brief, or concise. Let's use these in some phrases and sentences. Phrases first. Short hair, brief summary, concise answer. Kısa saç. Saç is a hair. Kısa xülasə. Xülasə, I believe it's a loan word from Arabic or Persian. Xülasə, summary. Kısa, brief in here. Kısa cavab. Cavab is answer, straightforward. Concise, short, kısa. Some sentences. Müşavirədə vaxta sığmaq üçün suallara qısa cavab verdim və mövzunu daha sonra ətraflı izah edəcəyimi bildirdim. Let's see. At the meeting, I gave a short answer to keep within the time and said I would explain the topic in detail later. At the meeting, müşavirədə vaxta sığmaq üçün, to keep within the time. Vaxt, time. Sığmaq, to fit in, basically, actually. So, to keep it within the time. Sual, question. Suallar, questions. Suallara, to the questions. Kısa cevap verdim. I gave a short answer. Ve mövzunu, and the topic. Daha sonra, later. Ətraflı izah edəcəyimi bildirdim. And said I would explain the topic in detail. When? Daha sonra, later. Next one. Kitabın sonunda qısa xülasə yer alır. Ona baxan kimi əsas xətti və personajların məqsədlərini dərhal anlayırsan. Personajların is how we write. Personajların is how we say. Personaj, it's a loan word. Let's see what does this and the whole sentence mean. At the end of the book, there is a short summary. As soon as you look at it, you immediately grasp the main plot and the character's goals. Personaj, character. At the end of the book, kitabın sonunda. Kitap, book, kitabın of the book. Son, end, sonunda, at the end. Qısa xülasə yer alır. Yer almak, take a space, but technically there is a short summary. Ona baxan kimi, as soon as you look at it, əsas xətti, the main plot, və personajların məqsədlərini, and the character's goals, dərhal anlayırsan. You immediately grasp. Anlamak, to understand, to get it, which is to grasp. Right? That was today's word qısa. We can use it in some fun ways where the only word qısa is in English, in Azerbaijani, and the rest is in English, if that makes it easier to remember. My barber went so qısa with the trim that my hat finally has roommates. Now, to support you in your journey, I have built Master Azerbaijani app, available in App Store and Google Store. Feel free to download and start learning because I'm giving away Module 1 free. That is the foundational module you need to learn if you are interested in being good at Azerbaijani. I'm also giving away vocabulary there from all the modules there, plus future modules. Not done yet. I have masterazerbaijani.com that I've been posting blogs in there every 10 days since November 2025 on multiple topics, including grammar and language. So feel free to check those out. Come back tomorrow for a new word if that's what you prefer. I'll see you there. Cheers.